Angelina, bilisan mo. Malate na tayo sa birthday party ng kaklase mo. Halika na, dali.
Let's go na, Yaya.
Bakit suot-suot mo yung sapatos ng mami mo? Naku, magagalit yun pag nakita. Mahal-mahal yan. Paborito niyang shoes yan.
Yaya, I'm not playing with mommy's shoes.
Ay, naku. Hindi pa... Oh, huwag mo sabihin yan. Susuot mo sa party.
Yaya, but she gave me na these shoes.
Naku, she gave you those shoes. Hindi ako naniniwala. Hindi mo pwede isuot yan. Kanya yan. Mahal yan. Paborito niya yan. Huwag mo isuot yan.
Whatever, Yaya, you're just inggit. You're such a loser.
Ano, inggit? Ano ka inggit? Hindi ka nga makalakad dyan.
Yaya, watch and learn.
Sige. Tignan ko. Oh. Ha? Aba? Oh. Oh. Sabi na sa'yo eh. Oh, dahan-dahan. Sabi na sa'yo, hindi ka talaga makalakad dyan. Kasi yung mga ganyang sapatos, mga matatanda lang nagsusuot niyan.
You mean, Yaya, you know how to wear these shoes?
Ay, ako, mag-jogging pa ako, suot ko yan. Kahit mataas pa, estilyetos.
Wow, that's so cool. Why don't you try it, Yaya? You try it.
Me? I tried that?
Yeah.
I know. Magalit lang mami mo pag nakita niya suot ko yan.
Yaya, I'll tell Mommy that I told you to wear it.
Sabihin mo, ikaw nagpasuot sa atin?
Yeah.
Baka magalit yun.
She won't get mad. I'll tell her naman that I was the one.
O sige, kahit ayaw ko, tatry ko, ha?
Okay.
Para sa'yo, pakita ko lang sa'yo, ha? Okay. Ako, parang ayaw eh, parang hindi kasya.
Yaya, it's such a winner. It's so bagay to you. Lalo na if you wear it mabuti.
At, sige, baka nga, pagka mukhang leather naman ito, eh, no? Okay. Ayan! Mukhang kumasya na, oh! Tingin mo, pumasok na eh, oh!
It's really, really bagay to you. Wow!
Oo nga! Ay! Ay! Naku! Naku, Angelina, nasira ko pala. Naku, pagkagalitan ako ng mami mo. Ay! Huwag mo sabihin, ha? Huwag mo sabihin nasira ko, papagawa ko na lang, okay?
I won't tell Mommy.
Don't tell, okay?
I promise you.
Ay, good girl, good girl.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy, come here! Quickly, come! Quickly! Mommy, come! Come! Mommy! Mommy!
Yaya? Bakit mo suot ang favorite shoes ko?
Mommy, I told her not to wear it, but she made me kulit. She's so kulit. She said she wants to wear it. I told her, no, Mommy will get mad. But she said, no, it's okay. Oh.